Okay, video support for chapter 6, fluid and elasticity. So we go to another problem. I think next is problem 13. So problem 13, what is the difference between the pressure of the blood in your brain when you stand on your head and in the pressure when you stand on your feet? Assume that you are 1.85 meter tall. The density of the blood is 1.60 kilograms per cubic meter. What effect does the increased pressure have on the blood vessels? So ito is difference in pressure. So when you stand up at saka when you stand on your feet, when you stand on your head and when you stand on your feet. So meaning your head mo, difference in pressure in your blood in your brain. So sa head. So meaning, yung head mo na nasa taas over yung head mo na nasa baba. So kung zero reference yung nasa taas, zero kasi wala pa namang bigat, diba? So meaning, sa zero sa taas. Tapos sa baba, itong 1.85 meter tall. So yung usual na gagamitin natin, yes, we can use this. Actually, we can still use this. Pero yung concept niya parang hindi kasi pressure lang yung binibigay. So ito, ima-minus natin yung dalawa, pressure sa taas, pressure sa baba. So itong formula na ganito. Kaya kasama yung pag-intindi kahit sa formula na ginagamit. So pressure sa of course mataas yung pressure ng naka-standing on your head. So ito pressure ng head, tapos pressure ng head on the ubos, tapos feet yung nasa baba. So that would be, PO, yung PO dito pareho lang. Rho GH. Ito dito is yung nakatayo. Head, yung head yung nasa baba. Tapos, magma-minus tayo nung PO. Tapos, plus Rho G. Tapos, yung H na nasa baba. Feet. Ganyan. So, may parenthesis to siya. So, dalawang ganito yung ginamit ko. But anyway, pareho lang naman yan. Kaya lang yung pag-intindi ng formula. Dito kasi is more usually yung problem dyan is about pressure. Dito sa isa is about usually gauge pressure, mga ganun. But anyway, you can still use that. Depende lang sa pag-intindi mo. So, anyway, yung pressure o dito is yung atmospheric pressure. So, pareho lang to sila. So, makakancel to sila pag inilabas mo PO plus Rho GH, yung head yung nasa taas minus PO minus Rho GH, yung feet yung nasa baba. Cancel to siya. And another one is yung feet yung nasa baba kasi yung feet yung nasa baba kukonsider natin to siya na zero kasi yung head mo nasa taas. Kung ito yung tao mo dito banda, ito yung case na ganito, ito mas mababa yung pressure sa head kasi nasa zero reference ka kasi wala pa namang bigat ng blood. So pag tumayo ka sa ganyan, usually yung kamay mo nakaganyan. So, nandito na yung mataas na pressure. Ito yung case na ganito. Okay? Meaning, ito, yung height mo na nasa taas yung feet. Dito pala. Yung height mo na nasa taas, nasa baba yung feet ay equal to 0. 0 to siya. Yung nasa baba yung feet. Kasi wala ka namang pressure sa head dyan. Yung normal pressure lang. Kasi yung tinatanong naman, yung difference in pressure. Yes, may pressure. May pressure sa head, pero yung tanong is difference ng pressure. Ito man yung tinatanong na dalawa. So, ito, magre-reference ka, magsi-zero to siya. So, yung matitira lang is Rho, G, at saka height ng person. So, Rho, binigay yung density ng blood is 1,060 kilogram per cubic meter. Yung pull ng gravity is 9.80665 meters per second squared at yung height ng tao is 1.85 meter tall. Tall. Ano na tall yung bago? So, ito is Newton at ito, cancel yung isa. So, you have square meter. So, Pascal yan siya. So, that's why difference in pressure. So, 1060 times 9.80665 times 1.85. So, that would give us 1.92. In three significant figures, 1.92 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the 4 Pascal. So, yun yung difference ng pressure for 19,200 pwedeng 19,200 in three significant figures Pascal. Okay, so I guess that's it. Thank you guys for listening.